Hello everyone, it's Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today I want to take you through how we can change currencies. Most of our QuickBooks is in dollars. So how can we change currencies from dollars to your home currency? Let me say Ugandan shillings. You come to edit, go to preferences. So under preferences, we shall find so many things as you are seeing. You find so many. So basically for us what we need, come to multiple currencies. Then click to company preferences. Our company preference is now Ugandan shillings. That's basically our current preference.